So I'm building a barbecue stand, and I find I need a good rough drawing to make it. So I've cut everything roughly out. It's all reclaimed timber, and I'm going to put it through the metal detector, then the thickness, and then cut it to rough dimensions on the saw. So this is the top I'm going to use. It's a little too short, so I'm going to just glue a piece onto the end, just like that. So it's all cut to size and been rough sawn. That's the style I want, and I've marked the legs out, and I'm about to dowel them all. So I've got one side glued up, the other one's ready to go, and the top would be almost ready to come out. But yeah, just a simple doweling. So on this one it's a little bit raised, so I'm just going to plane it flush for legs. So the top's out from gluing. I'm just going to smash it with a belt sander, then put it through the drum sander. Just try and make it more flat. Doesn't look too bad on camera, but there's quite a few high spots and low spots. Try and smash them down to be a little bit flat. So the top's finished, cut to size, and I'm just going to finish it with beeswax and oil mix. So it's all glued up, squared up, and ready for the slats tomorrow for the bottom, and the top is done with the beeswax. I just got to polish the top. So I've just cut all the slats for the bottom, and I'm going to screw down through them and screw up through there into the top. So it's all that, and screw on the wheels. So this is the finished barbecue stand. I really enjoyed it, worked well over Christmas. Thanks for watching.